How to fix WhatsApp you recently contented. Hello guys, if you want to fix WhatsApp you recently contented, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app WhatsApp or click here and search. Go to force stop, click OK, and go to storage and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off mobile data and turn on and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on. After these steps, you can restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.